Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the aBlocks social share block in WordPress. The social share block adds share buttons to boost your content's reach on social media. To get started, open the section of your website where you want to display the social share buttons. Then, search for Social Share Block in the block inserter and add the aBlocks social share block to your page. Let's explore how to customize it to match your design and boost sharing across popular platforms. Start by heading into the general settings. Here, choose whether you want your social icons stacked horizontally or vertically. Adjust the alignment to place the icons exactly where you want them, left, center, or right. Next, pick a view style. And choose the shape of your social icons. Enable or disable window pop-ups based on how you want the share action to behave. You also have the option to show or hide the share bar entirely. Want to add more platforms? Click Add Item to include any additional social channels you need, from Facebook and Twitter to LinkedIn, Pinterest, or even WhatsApp. Fine-tune the share bar width to adjust spacing. If you want tighter or more expanded button layouts, it's all customizable. You can also resize the share icon itself for the perfect visual balance on your page. Dive into the Share Items section to further tweak icon size and spacing. Then from the icon label settings, control the exact width and height of each icon for pixel-perfect styling. Once you've dialed in the design, hit Save to apply all changes. Now go ahead and preview your page, and there it is, a clean, fully customized social share bar, ready to boost engagement and encourage users to spread your content. And that's how easy it is to create a powerful, polished social sharing experience with aBlocks. No code, just a few clicks to get your content share ready across every major platform. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.